Welcome to I Am Python. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Chart PDF. If you want to read any document, you want to understand the insights from the document, then Chart PDF is going to help you. Right now, you can see on my screen there is a document which is yesterday released by the McKinsey, which is a report about the generative AI, which is for you will get a lot of insights about this business report, like what are the use cases and industries, how much investments are going through this in the generative AI space. All these information will come to know from this research document from the McKinsey. For example, if you are very busy with your work, you want to explore, right, with this kind of documents, you want to understand what kind of insights are there in the gist, like, then you don't have time. This is 120 pages, or like some pages of document, right? Then how you ensure you will have some idea about, or you are getting some insights from this document. So that's why I'm going to show you something called chartpdf.com. So this website is going to allow you to upload the document, but there are some constraints. For example, if we go to the frequently asked questions here, which can tell you an idea about what this tool is. You can use any language, like can Chart PDF speak any language, okay? And it is a free up to 120 pages and 3 PDFs every day. And after that, they are going to charge you if you want. I'm not promoting this Chart PDF tool here, but I'm telling you to use this free service when you want to explore any information from the document. If you are a student, you don't have money to pay for this kind of tools. This is going to help you. And one more important point, this Chart PDF uses the Chart GPT model only. And if you can go little scroll down here, Chart PDF uses a GPT 3.5 for now. It is same as Chart GPT. You may ask the question, why I need to use the Chart PDF when I have the Chart GPT? Chart GPT, which is free, of course, when you enter the text, and we don't have any feature to upload the documents or images to get analysis on top of it, right? You want any generative AI feature for that, because you don't have an options to upload any document on free account. You need to go for the paid account, but this service is somehow is free for at least 3 PDFs, which has some limitations, of course. So already I have uploaded this. We can also do without signing here. And one more important point I want to highlight, don't upload any sensitive information into these websites. Okay, of course they are going to say that it is going to delete from their website, but still don't do that. So for example, I am uploading one document into this Chart PDF. So this is what the document I was referring to, and you can start asking questions here. So what are the use cases mentioned in this document, right? You can ask the question, it will try to fetch you all the information here. This document mentions the 63 generative use cases spanning 16 business functions and all, right? All this information. Can you list those use cases? Let's see if it has that information in the document, it will do for us, right? So there are a few use cases which is mentioned in the document, but here it is mentioned about 13. And you can see, and also one important about this tool is that it is going to tell you this information is pulling from which page of the document. That's great, right? And also, what are the industries using generative AI? But don't ask the question which is irrelevant to this document, right? So generative AI, it's giving some information, like, okay. And I'm going to ask you, I found that there is some information which is related to the software engineering here, right? I see somewhere it is. something how customer operations can transform using the generative AI, how marketing and sales could be transformed to using the generative AI, and also like I can see how software engineering could be transformed with generative AI, how the future of generative AI in software engineering, right? Let me ask you this question. Right, let me ask these questions to chat PDF, right? So it's giving some information like generative AI can automate certain activities in software engineering, such as generating the initial code drafts, code correction, refactoring, root causes, all these things which we will come to know here. This is one of the beauty of this chart PDF, and also like you can download this text, you can export this chart to in your local, right? So you can export and you can see, and if you want to edit, you can want to share, and you want to delete this chart immediately, you can delete it. All these kind of features are available without signing off. Even once you sign up, you can store all your chart as an history in this chart PDF. See, there are many tools, guys, in the internet world right now with the generative AI. But what I'm trying to say here, so there are some tools we can use without paying money, right? So this is one of the tool which it can help you if you are a student, you are reading some book, right? You want to understand some insights from that book, then you can use chat PDF. So I want to highlight this information to you. Maybe it will be useful to you at this moment. Maybe in the future there are few more new tools comes into with the new features with the free of cost. We don't know, but let's wait and see. Thank you so much watching this video. Please write your comments under the video. Thank you.